In this video, we will use Auto Fit to Quilt Block. First, insert the design. This design is in decorative accents and is HT 112. Select the design and click on Open. Select Define Quilt Block and change the size of the quilt block to 10 inches. You can pick a color if you wish and click OK. Select the design and select Auto Fit to Quilt Block. The design is automatically resized to fit the designated block size. Turn off Show Quilt Block and activate the hoop to make sure that the design will fit within the hoop, and you'll see that it is outside the boundaries of the hoop. If you want the design to fit within the hoop, select Undo and return to Define Quilt Block. Change the width of the design to 9.5 and click OK. Select the design and select Auto Fit to Quilt Block. Now the design will fit within the boundaries of the hoop.